peanut butter mug cake with just 5 ingredients and 5 minutes of your time. You can make this with your family. And guess what? We're gonna do it in the microwave. Brilliant! Let's get cooking. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to your favourite mug, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is going to help it get that lift. Now stir the dry ingredients together using a fork. Add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You could also use almond butter. 3 tablespoons of milk. You could also use oat milk or almond milk for this. Now bring those ingredients together. Be sure to make sure you get around the edges so you get all of that flour and stir that in. You can see the way it's nice and creamy. Place the mug in the microwave and you want to cook this on medium high for about 60 seconds. When it comes out, it will have a nice rise to it. Take a look at that cake. See the way it's cooked nicely? If it's undercooked, just pop it back in. Now you can get creative. You could add almonds, Heath Bar to it. You could also add some butterscotch chips. It's about being creative. Even chocolate chips. Let me just show you. Add some chocolate chips to that mixture. Cook that for 60 seconds. Look at the way it's all melted. I think we better try it. It's so good and effortless to make. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. Always remember, keep it simple. See you soon.